Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is P. Now, today, I give you another example of what I mean by the same people do the same crimes over and over. Minority of 87 is committing the majority of murders. Now we talk about 87 with them called Zado, right? St. James 87. Recently been implicated in a number of murders. Right, you've been hearing about the whole about double murders, them and thing at St. James. Zado playing a major part tonight. But he shouldn't be. Because all the way from 2019, he was supposed to be off the road for a very long time. But before I go into that, let me just say this. I see people that message me and ask me what I think about, I go on with the various PRIs and the politicians and judges. All I can say is, as the viral clip from the youth Brit Boss go, don't call my phone, a chop it get chop. Right? People ask me, where you think, don't call my phone. Right? Chop it get chop. That's all I can say. Right? I am not getting between you and your beloved leaders and your beloved judges. Who know their business now. Right? Let me get back to this. Zado. Telling to say, recently, there's been a number of double murders all kind of flare up. Now what this happening in a place to them called Adelphi, right, in St. James. Used to be a quiet era, but it went already. 87s have a way of making even the most peaceful place them turn in a hill. Make residents can't sit good on a bed at night time. Right. So, Zado. This youth been all over the place. Right. From Granville, right, people could do him there so. Right, at one point, right, over Spring Mountain side. Right. Gone Adelphi. It ain't already. Man make enemies plus them quote unquote hot. Police are look for them, start move around all over the place. This youth is now implicated in the recent double murders them. So there's a conflict going on, as usually the case in Gardy. And Zado play a major role in it. But he shouldn't be. Let me give one a little trip back in time. Let's go back to 2019. From even them time there, right, Zado implicated in the murders. And he was even younger then. Right? He's still relatively young, right, in his early 20s. Right. January 2019. Right. Zado shoot up a police. The very next month, shoot up a police again. Because by now him get extra confident, Make police have to take cover. Him walk and brag about it, it got ready. But guess what? Him get catch. Yes. Him get catch. Arrested. Point out on ID parade. And even get charged. 2019. Now you think to yourself, but 2019 wasn't that long ago. Shooting after security forces in 2019. Arrested and charged and pointed out. Then even if you get the lowest possible time, you shouldn't be back. Back on the streets. You're not already when the favorite judge them, right? You're not already when it comes down to the case, then these can't find and all kind of things. Long story short, right, Zado dip on the road again. If they did get him, right, and give him no serious time for the 2019 incidents, and we're going to talk about the murders, just to shoot him with it, because that thing say that would at least be a guaranteed. Right, that thing that is like The basketball, them say a slam dunk, I think it's a slam dunk. Or an alley hoop or a layup. No. Even them case the 87s. Right, can pick up charge for and still end up back on the road within no time. So now, him extra hot. Right, him did. No. I give beer problem in 2019. That was only a warm-up it looked like. Look like same they put on the store, but they fired it on down low and know him hot because you see when they pick up, them charge, when they shoot after the police multiple occasions, get charged and walk up on the road. No, 87s have a different swagger. Now them feel untouchable. And they say within a short space of time, multiple double murders, right? Zado, right, is implicated in them. Even a film look at thing when I go on with, you know, come up with all kind of names, 9 camp gang and all kind of things. This is what I want to understand. St. James, like the rest of Iron Man, don't have 10,000, 20,000 87s supposed to gonna kill people. If that was the case, Iron Man wouldn't have 1,400 murders a year. This is simple mathematics. Zado alone, right, is implicated in well over half a dozen murders. And that's just confirmed. Who knows what else might go out in the streets, right, when nobody knows about. Iman, Coco them, apart. Who knows how long that will last because 87's party today, war tomorrow. Right. And not to mention, Zado also do contract killing on the side, right, even though they bring in money from the scamming. That's the thing, you know. There was a time when 87s like Zado, right, couldn't really thrive because they need to be a part of one bigger organization or give them good and all kind of things. Zado went from regular street youth, right, to top of most wanted list. Not just shooting after police, but picking up some murders in 2019 and right up to 2023, right, he's picked up a whole lot more. His gang, right, they're known for riding up on bike, shoot up a man, right, heavily armed, right, don't know, rifle and everything. When man pull up, right, you don't want to be there. Zado, right, is just another example. That's why I make sure this video upon him. I want to give you the examples. Because they might say, yeah, but you say minority of, 87 is the majority of shooting. And from time to time, we give you examples. One time when you talk about Leng, right? And your favorite artist Leng. When you talk about you them from Spanish Town. When you talk about Wormy. When you start to see them and them, where you can't trail back for years. Just a pile up the victims. Right? Year after year after year. So when you see St. James, double murder, then another one, a next double murder, then another shooting, it sounds like some kind of apocalypse, like 1,087s, a war amongst each other. But when you break it down, right, you see say, are the same name them. One is Zado, a Coco, a Sci-Fi, a Bigger Crime, a JJ Nakis, are the same name them. So now this youth, let me say, top of the list, most wanted. I don't know what it's going to take, right, for the justice system and the people them, right, who are a part of the justice system, right, to start making the necessary changes needed to get some results. This is why I'm telling you, say there's no secret of who are the what. By the time the person drop on the ground, right, and then body get cold, not just the streets no, but the police already here say, and so on so. But then, even if they ain't go for him, the body might not turn up for the ID parade. But then, people turn up for the ID parade as we see in Zado case. One get charged and you say, alright, take a deep sigh of relief. Zado off of the streets. Somebody who is willing to shoot up a police now go think twice about shooting after you. Think about it now. But then, you start you say, suddenly you start calling for murders again and you say, but the prison for death for 120, no, they're on the road. They do a long time video one time and telling us Jamaicans who get a kicks from hearing to 87 shoot off a police are simpletons. I'll tell you why. Not because I'm saying you're supposed to shedding a tear and feel sorry for police, where we know say we don't like police, we know say we don't have no problem fighting and kicking and thumping on police, we know that. We know say a 87 like Roderick, who's about 4'2", can box you up all day and won't do nothing. But he'll fight a police officer who big and thick and tall like LeBron James. He could be 6'25", much less 6'10", and yet still screw up with him, but you're not screw up with Roderick, who look like him being a grade 6. So we know that, but let me tell you why people here say, 87 shoot off for the security force, you can say, yeah man, I'm thinking funny. If somebody is so well armed and so brazen, to shoot off at somebody who have a squaddy beside him, at least one, have on a vest, have on a helmet and a rifle and feed them hand too, what them are gonna do? With you. Think about it now. When somebody shoot off a police JD and get away, the confidence them have, you think them go itch to step to you? When all you have in your hand is your phone, where would they call 911? Or 119? I can't even keep up. But where would they call the police? If Zado now itch to shoot up a police, if I just them and call the police to the scene and then shoot off of them, imagine when them turn up in your community. Because it may say you're quote unquote informer, or do something as simple as they take away kerosene, who knows what's the reason. When them get bolder, then they say, I can't believe him turn up there so. Him really come, of course him turn up there so, no business. Man I shoot off a police. Man I shoot off a smother of a rifle too. You know it's shoot off for you. So when you laugh, you're only laughing at your own demise. That's why them say when you dig hole, you have to dig too. Because you say, yeah man, I saw you go man, if you dead, and I know say you go dead too. Because one thing me know, if me 87 and me shoot up a police and get for 3-4 times, I wish a civilian would talk to me. Because in my mind I'm thinking, if me can't take off, or if me can't take on, a police wanna pull of officers, or me can't take on a jeep. The jail students night. Who this boy come and talk to me? Watch me on him. That's how I think. And that's how 87 think. So as them say, when I dig hole, dig too. If man I say, yeah man I say 87 is running and pressure them and shoot off of them. Make sure you say that when they shoot off of you. That's all I say. Where's that though? See him there, yeah, them wide open. I don't know where you see. Look like you see Duppy. I don't know for the people that want to kill a Auntie Marwa. But the same 87 is them do the same crimes over and over. Then you can have to come off of the road. All it takes is 187. Because a huge spike in the murders. 187 on him group. Obviously, he's not acting alone. But, right. Him and what them call the, they call the Setan, ringleader, violence producer, troublemaker. Make you see what I'm to him. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.